In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have curvy text in Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're looking to make your slides more engaging or add a creative flair to your presentation, mastering the art of curvy text is a great skill to have. Let's dive right into how you can achieve this in just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to begin by launching PowerPoint on your desktop. Make sure it's the desktop version because some online versions might not have all the formatting tools we'll be using today. Now, if you already have a presentation you're working on, go ahead and open it. If you're starting from scratch, just create a new one. It's entirely up to you, but it's important to have a slide ready where you want to insert the curvy text. Next, direct your attention to the menu at the top of the screen and click on the Insert tab. Once there, you'll see an option for text box. Select it and simply draw out a box on your slide. This is where your text is going to appear, so make sure you have enough room to work with. Now that you have your text box ready, go ahead and type in your desired text. It could be a title, a quote, or just some text you want to stand out on your slide, whatever fits your presentation best. Once your text is in place, click on the text box to select it. You'll notice that a new tab appears up top labeled Shape Format. Click there, and within this tab, look for Text Effects. Hover your mouse over it, and you'll see a drop-down menu. Slide your cursor over to Transform. This is where the magic starts to happen. In the drop-down under Transform, you're going to notice two sections, Follow Path and Warp. Both provide options for curving your text, but for basic curvy text, look under the Follow Path section and select a style like Arch. This will immediately start to bend your text along a curve. After applying the curve style, you'll see a little dot on the text shape. Click and drag this adjustment dot to fine-tune the degree of the curve. You can make it more or less pronounced to suit your design needs. Additionally, if the curve isn't exactly how you want it, you can resize the text box itself. Doing this will subtly adjust the curve. It's a bit of trial and error here to get it just right. Finally, you can increase or decrease the font size to further influence the shape of your curve. Larger text may require more space, so adjust accordingly to keep everything looking harmonious. And there you have it. These steps will help you create engaging and visually appealing curvy text for any presentation. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different styles and adjustments. Happy designing!